welcome to Don Carinderia Series Plus. That's my Coco. When it comes to dinuguan, medyo maarte ako. Gusto ko yung malaman lahat. I don't like yung lumalangoy sa mantika. And unfortunately, if you order this dinuguan from somewhere, chances are maraming ibang parts ng pork kasama dun sa dish. So I don't like that. Also, one big requirement is dapat fresh yung blood. So that is why I've never cooked dinuguan kasi I can't get hold of the fresh blood. That changed today. So I'm really excited to share with you my recipe of dinuguan. Okay, let's start by cooking our onions. And by now you already know the drill. Pag translucent na, let's add our minced garlic. Let's cook this for a few minutes. Then we'll add our pork. Notice na yung fat nito is only siguro mga 5%. We will keep cooking our pork until mag-light brown na all sides. Wala dapat pinkish ever. Next, we'll add some water. This is to help tenderize our pork. We will bring this to a boil. So once it's boiling, reduce the heat. Cook until mag-tender na yung pork nyo. Depending on the pork, it could take siguro at least 30 minutes to an hour. Also, you would notice na magre-reduce yung water. Add some water if needed. It's time to add some flavor to our dish. I'm adding some bay leaves. Some freshly ground pepper. We will now add some vinegar. Let me check the tenderness of our pork now. I'm now adding some water plus salt. I prefer saucy yung dinuguan ko. It is time to add our pork blood. I'm using a strainer to get rid of the solid particles. Once you've added the blood, it is important to keep stirring. You don't want the blood to coagulate. You would notice also na magiging thick yung sauce niya and it will become brownish in color. And mukha na siyang appetizing. Always taste your food. So if we need to adjust the vinegar, the salt, the pepper, it's up to you now. Lastly, we will add the green chilies. Let's cook this for a few minutes, then it's ready to serve. This is your perfectly splendid all-meat dinuguan. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week.